Welcome to the Asphalt Nation. I'm your host, Tim Smith. Got a guest with today, Dan, and Dan introduce himself to his company.
Thanks. My name is Dan. I'm from Kutztown, Pennsylvania. My company is called Liberty Blacktop.
And so, how long have you been in the industry?
This is a startup for me. I'm brand new to the industry.
What got you in the industry? What was that motivator? Ooh, I don't get into the asphalt.
So I did landscaping when I was younger. I really enjoyed being, outdoors. I spent the last 15 years of my life working indoors. I knew I wanted to get back into doing something outside, but I didn't want to get back into landscaping. I wanted to do something even different. So I sealed coated my personal driveway once before, and I remember doing it. And then I got my driveway paved and sealed about 2 years ago, and I thought it was quite interesting. So I started researching the industry, and I had a business at the time, and I decided to sell it, and then I kind of pursued the last, I would say, 6 months or so on this.
Nice. So, was you talking about you primarily doing residential to start, or you need residential and commercial?
I think my focus on residential will start. I do have a couple buddies that own the property. I'll start to kind of do that in between until I feel more comfortable. Plus, just go straight.
Smart way. It's easier to make a mistake on a driveway to replace a few $100s worth of material versus 3,000.
Yeah.
So you have equipment already?
I did.
What type of equipment do you
So I purchased a Ram 2500, and then I ordered a Can International 700-gallon silver.
The air guy from System? Yeah, that's the greatest. There's one guy in the industry, unfortunately, they start with the toes and get into the trash pumps and all that. So they have a lot of problems.
Yeah.
So it's smart to do that. Sometimes financially it's not feasible. So starting out, first one thing you come to our event.
Yep.
It was a great time, and with our event, if you want to give a brief your thoughts on the event, how we felt it went.
Yeah, that has been great. One of the biggest things is the ability to talk to others that are either just starting out or have 20 plus years in the industry, get different perspectives, how they do things, and then the hands-on training aspect. That was one thing that I wanted to focus on is getting some hands-on training. And to be able to meet you, be local to each other, finding out about this event gives me the opportunity to get out here and fill in cracks and pothole repair, and seal coat and line stripe. Gives me a little bit more comfort going into this season of what I'm going to be up against.
It's awesome. Yeah, networking is so important. Learning things from so many people that's in the industry. So if you can get out there and network, do it. It makes your life a lot easier.
And don't be afraid to ask questions. That's the biggest thing. A lot of times you're fearful of reaching out to somebody. The worst thing that can happen is they don't answer you, or they say no. You just on to the next person. But there's always going to be people that want to help. Tim's been great at asking questions, and it's been super helpful so far.
It's awesome. So if you give one piece of advice to somebody starting out, something that maybe you didn't do when you first started versus where you are today.
So I think, fortunately for me, I have owned businesses before, so I kind of know where to start. But I think is understanding the expectations that you're going to be up against, figuring out what your budget is, and really like the networking piece is critical. Reaching out to people that have experience, and even some that have just got started in their first year, they kind of know the mistakes that they made. Sometimes when somebody's been in the industry 20 years, they may forget. So, asking questions and really detailing out a business plan, I think, is crucial. A business plan is probably the first thing that you want to start is developing a business plan. If you don't know how to develop a business plan, talk to people that know how to develop a business plan.
This thing is very original. It does get missed a lot. Sure.
Yeah.
You guys always forget, I need business insurance. I need this. Yes, they won't think of those things. They're right.
Yeah, write a list down of things that you think you need, and then give it to somebody that's done it before and find out where you miss things. Because there's always going to be things you forgot about doing this or setting up this account. that has someone overlook it. Don't think that you're 100% right all the time. There's the right things to do this.
And I want to thank you for coming this weekend. Thank you for taking your time to do this for us as well. Really appreciate it. Got my number. Reach out anytime.
Also, been a pleasure. Thank you.
I want to thank my sponsors, Watt Supply. You can find them at wattsupply.com. Pro Coat Seal Coating Rigs, which you can get from Watt Supply as well. Ocean Visual Agency and Asphalt Pro. Thank you and have a blessed day.
Thank you.